You may be getting a message that has to do with finances, practicality, maybe something you've been waiting on. Sometimes these messages can take a while, but once they come in, they're usually pretty sound and solid. Some of you could be dealing with an earth sign, a younger type earth sign. Also, yeah, Page of Cups. Also, again, a message. This is something you like and love and been really wanting. Some of you can be dealing with a water sign. The obstacle is your home life. Maybe you got whatever messages that you're receiving may affect your home life in some way, or a happy home or celebrations. So we'll find out what that is. You know I clarify. Once I clarify, it changes the story up, so stick with me. Yeah, something hard at work. You may be offered something that gives you work, something that keeps you busy with the Eight of Pentacles. Find out what that's about. What's coming towards you? The Hierophant. Yeah, someone gives you a nod. Someone higher up gives you a nod in life. That means a yes. It's a yes card. You are going to be thinking to yourself what your next move is going to be. The Hermit, you're going to go within because you do have a family or a home situation you got to consider. I'm going to find out why in just a second, hopefully. Page of Cups, you are getting messages, something that you want, okay? It's not that you don't want it, but I think you're going to have to make a decision on something. Even though I don't see the decision card, I see you thinking intensely what to do. So Page of Cups, I need 2 cards, please, for Aries in the past position. 2 cards, please. Yeah, you're putting an end to one thing and you're going into something else. You're putting an end to one collaboration, something you're working on, something because you're getting a message. You're getting a message, a positive message. So you could be, doing new work. You do get a nod. Someone does give you the okay in life. So it looks like you're putting an end to one thing and going into something else, like I said. The obstacle is the 4 of Wands, your home life, So the 4 of Wands, I need 2 cards here. Yeah, you may be putting an end to something to do with your home. It's like someone wants you to do some give and take with the 6 of Pentacles. They want you to work on it. But you don't see anything moving forward with where you're living at, or maybe it has to do with celebrations, because we do have celebrations come up, with family dinners and stuff like that. But it's like you may have to tell somebody you can't do something, you can't be there, or you can't do what they want you to do, for some of you. And others, someone may be saying this to you. They may have gotten an offer of something. It has to do with work. It has to do with something you were really wanting, too. Something that brings in stability. So 8 of Pentacles, as the current environment for Aries, why you there? What is going on? I need 2 cards, please, for Aries. The Hierophant in reverse. The Moon in reverse. I see the Hierophant coming towards you with a nod. With this, like I said, giving you something. But you are considering it. You're considering, is there anything I'm not seeing clearly? Maybe you find out there are some ultimatums with this job and you may reconsider. It's like you're going back and forth whether or not to do this or not to do that. Or to stay home or to be with your family or whatever. But I do also see that you really wanted this for some of you, but you're not trusting it either. You don't know if you should accept it. Let me see what the Hierophant wants. The Hierophant. 2 cards, please, for the outside environment coming towards you. They're in the upright, but for some reason you don't know if this is what you're wanting after all, even though it is something you've been waiting for. I don't know why you would turn it down. Maybe because family doesn't want you to take it, or you just settled into your home situation. But I need the Hierophant. 2 cards, please. What is coming towards Aries? Page of Swords, a High Priestess. If someone wants you to make a decision, they may be watching you, and they may have been not really stalking. It's just that when someone's considering to offer you something, they will watch you to see if they can uncover things about you. And I think they like you. They want you into that position. But realize they've been watching you a while, and maybe, like I said, you had that Pentacles energy, that Page of Pentacles, where the messages didn't come in quickly, and this could be why, because they were standing back and studying and seeing what they could come up with you. But it looks like they want to offer you something, but you yourself are reconsidering for some reason. Like I said, it has to do with your home life, because you got the Hermit in the end. That's someone thinking about what the next move to make. They're going within. They're really thinking about something. So the Hermit in the upright way there for Aries at the very end. Like I said, I'm going to do a love reading, and this is more to do with work and, you know, where you want to live. I need 2 cards for the Hermit for Aries at the end here. Queen of Swords. Yeah, you may consider telling them no. You may consider telling them no, but I think you'll, because you don't know what to expect with the 2 of Swords. You're like, I don't know what it all includes. And you may actually, with the Queen of Swords, ask them straight out. This is also with the Queen of Swords is someone you go to for advice, so you may be asking someone for advice because you don't know what to do. The Queen of Swords is a very intelligent person to go to advice for in the card readings. And in the end, you do charge forward. You may actually travel to go and do this job. That may have to do with the home life and you having to make a decision what to do. But it's like you're kind of like going back and forth. Do I do this? Do I not do this? Is this really what I want, even though I've been waiting for this all this time? So you'll be hearing a message, you'll be getting a nod. Like I said, someone's going to say, I want you to do this. I've been watching you. I decided I like what I see. And you yourself are saying, now, I don't know if I should take this because I'm settled at a home life and may disrupt my home life, put an end to my home life. So I really got to think about it. And you will be going to advice to an older person that is possibly an air sign or just someone really intelligent because you don't know what to do, like I said, but you do move forward with it. Whatever you're doing, you're moving forward with it. You're just getting a little cold feet. You don't know what to do. And I'm going to do this love reading, and I'll be right back. Hello, Aries. This is your love reading. It's from the Angel Love cards. I'm getting 3 cards for Aries. So we need to know something about love because all I do is pull like work cards for Aries all year long, it seems like. And I want to know if Aries has anything with love coming in. It says to retreat and reconsider something in the past position. I call it, I'm doing it as 3 different piles. It could be 3 different energies. And sometimes we can sum them all up as one story. But it says to retreat and reconsider something. Maybe it does have to do with a Hierophant. I see you moving forward, though. But it's saying to reconsider and retreat, or that's maybe what you're doing. That could be what you're doing, too. Even though you feel like this is good for you and the chemistry is really good for you, you're thinking and considering waiting on the situation. It may be that the angel answers are telling you to wait and reconsider something. Could have to do with your family life. Maybe with that Hermit, someone does say, give me a little bit to talk about this or think about this. And I do see you getting advice from somebody. But I also see you moving forward in life. Maybe it's moving forward with your family. I don't know. We'll find out. There's an attraction there that you're really wanting to do or be with somebody. Or maybe it still has to do with this job. But this is supposed to be a romantic type situation. So it's saying there to retreat and wait on something and reconsider. Even though you may be chemistry and attraction with somebody. Because in the near future, something else may happen. Something may occur in the near future. And I do see that Hermit card and you waiting. So it's not the right time to make a move, even if maybe you are attracted to somebody. Maybe it has to do with that 4 of Wands energy in the last reading. It's saying to wait a little bit because something else is coming up in the near future. You know, you may be attracted to somebody else in the near future, but this also, you know, something else may come along that will really wow you, you know. So it's saying to retreat and reconsider. If it has to do with that last reading, have to do with money, which I don't think it really does, you know, you're okay to reconsider. It's okay to look into things more. But if this has to do with life or love life, it says to wait because someone is coming around that you will be attracted to and have chemistry with. So that they're worth waiting for, okay? Whatever is coming up, you're going to meet or whatever, it's coming soon, but you're going to have to wait for it. Don't just jump into any relationship. Wait till there's somebody that you really want to be with, okay? So this is your reading, and I will upload this as soon as I can, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.